How to activate Macy's credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. If you're trying to activate your Macy's credit card, then you've come to the right video because I'm exactly going to show you how you can. Now, in order to activate your card, first of all, open up your web browser and just search for Macy's credit card activation. Once you do, you'll need to just scroll down and you can find this customer service link of Macy's.com. Just click on this link and you can follow these steps. So first of all, you will need to just click on this link and it's going to take you to a different website from where you can just scroll down and you'll have a section of activating your Macy's American Express. Just click on activate card. Now through this section on the left hand side, you can see all of the details that you need to fill in. So this is the verification or the activation of the Macy's credit card. So in the first box, type in your credit card number and your name that appears on your card. So make sure that these details are correct. Along with that, also enter in your security code and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you filled in all these details correctly, you just need to click on verify, and if the details entered are correct, your card of Macy's will be successfully activated or verified. So this is the exact process that you need to successfully activate your credit card. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.